Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, everyone. How are we doing today? I'm doing pretty daggum okay. And we are back with a new episode. Oh my gosh, you guys, it has been literally amazing. My sun poisoning is gone. Thank the Lord. And yeah. So we're back with Annette Pierce, and I've been experimenting with editing. I don't know if I'm gonna start cutting stuff out of videos, but because I don't feel confident in doing that yet. So we're just gonna stick with regular video style, but like adding in music and oh my gosh, I did not summon her here. What is she doing here? What is she doing? Oh my gosh, is she gonna notice us? I don't think she. Why does she look so sad? Let's see if she comes and talks to us. Let's ask her mom, what are you doing? Mischief. Let's ask her about what she thinks of us. Like, what do you think of your children? What do you think of us? What do you think of us? Like, okay. Let's ask her, what do you think of us? What do you think of us? Like, how do you think I'm doing? Why are you here? I am a parent. Yeah, Mom, we know that. We know that. Yup. Is she on something? She seems a little out of it today. I think she's gonna say just go away. She does not want to hear her. Like, why are you here? I do not want you here. I think maybe she's gonna, like, argue with her mom. Argue about the house rules. Definitely argue with your mom about your house rules. Like, you shouldn't have kicked me out of the house. Dad still wants me there. Why did you make me leave? She's like, I'm not spending my money on, like, something I don't agree with. You chose to leave. Why don't you just come back and get a normal job? Because that's not my dream, Mom. I want to follow my own dreams. Didn't you have dreams once? Ooh, she's really getting, like, I can see they're, like, arguing, like, I won't let you back in the house until you get a regular job. And she's like, well, that's not gonna happen. I don't want to play your games. It's time for you to come home. Like, she's like, come on. I don't know, let's speed up their argument. Her mom's basically, like, tearing it, like, they're both mad. Nobody wins. Yeah, let's just go home. We're not happy with you right now. Oh, wait, hold on. We meant to vote on these action plans. Vote on your action plans. Then let's go home. My Instagram's going off. I don't feel like... Maybe I should check it. I don't know. Let's vote on the action plans. We are not happy with her. Okay, she left. Oh, we can't vote right now. Okay. Let's go home. Let's go home. I think she's really mad at her mom still. Like, I don't think we're gonna be able to make up with her anytime soon. But I wonder why she looked so sad. That was really interesting. Is something going on at home? I wonder. Maybe that's something we can explore another day. Let's head on back to our little building. So, how do you guys think we're gonna do this? Like, I'm curious. Are we gonna, like... Are we gonna, like... I wish you could move into that outdoor retreat place. I don't even have outdoor retreat, but I wish you could move there, because that would be, like, a perfect place for Annette to live. But since we're doing, like, eco-farm style, or eco-farm life, whatever. Let's go home. I told you to go home. We're not going home with anyone. Actually, we can see if Knox Greenberg. We need to get to know him. Like, I don't know. I'm so excited. Like, I might record a little bit longer today and see if I want to edit anything out. I don't know how I'm gonna do it today, but you know what? Let's be a little experimental. You know? Maybe I'll try editing out these screen loaders. She is absolutely miserable. We only have $50 in the entire world. Let's make an arrangement. Oh, we can't do that because we're too sad and depressed. That's fine, I guess. That's fine. Did we get anything from the dumpster? Let's... Why can't we compost that? I'm so confused. Why is she being like she's being... do we have any bluebells? Yeah, we do. Okay, we can make something now because she's humiliated. Let's make a bluebell. Let's make this because it's expensive. I don't know. Maybe I should speed up my videos so I can record more, y'all can see more, but like, I don't know. I really don't know how I'm going to do things. I want to figure it out. I was thinking, oh, if I ever get monetized, I'll just hire an editor. But now I'm getting interested in it. So, like, we'll see where that leads. This is worth $50. Let's sell it. We ain't got anything to upgrade. Let's harvest bluebells. I feel like with the bluebells, you get more out of it from harvesting them than selling them, so. We didn't get very good money from it, but we still got money nonetheless, so that's always a good thing. Oh, and there she blows. Make, let's do the daisies and bluebells. Oh, she's hungry. She's really hungry. Oh, no, we cannot die. We cannot die. Okay, let's find... Oh, she's really hot. She's probably really hot, too. That sure is probably Breezy, to be honest here. Let's look for... Isn't there supposed to be, like, a... Okay, there we go. There's the bin. Let's dive for meals. Dive for deals. I'm never gonna change her out of this outfit. We're not gonna change her into her nude. Let's go ahead and eat the tilapia. It's gonna give us an upset stomach, but it's as good as we can do at the moment, so. Ooh, who are you? You're cute. Wait, I think you're cute anyway. I can't see your face. And I mean, kinda. Her dad's at the house. Probably to see what their argument was about earlier. She's like, so you moved again? She's like, yeah, I didn't want anything that had to do with you guys. So, yeah. I forgot she's a vegetarian. Oh my gosh. It really does make life more difficult for us, doesn't it? Ew, we need to like... Oh my gosh, she needs to get her act together. Can I buy anything for $100? Really, I'm thinking about selling her flower table, but I know that's not smart. I know that's really not smart. Okay, guys, she's a little bit better, so we're gonna try to resume our daisies and bluebells. Hopefully I can figure out how to cut out that short little period of time, or it's gonna be really awkward. See, I don't feel too comfortable cutting stuff out of the video, so I'm gonna try to get more comfortable with it. Like, just by designating little sections for me to cut out instead of having, like, me talking cut out, because I'm not very good at gauging what I should and should not cut out of the video. And her knees went down again, so it's like, I don't know what to do. Pecan pie, and I don't know, watermelons on the vine. Where did we get this oven from? Like, wait, how much can we sell you for? Okay, yes, oh wait, this must be when we die for deals. A baby, I think we're gonna keep this one. We can sell this one. Okay, so we're back in business. We can actually build ourselves a little house. And we're gonna get a fridge. Yay! We have a station. Yay! We did it, gang! People, we could afford 2 toilets if we wanted to. And then let's go repair this. Kayla Fleming's up. Hey! Oh my god, her dad's back! Let's just... No, we're not gonna do that to her dad. Maybe he was like, oh dad, have you been working out or whatever? I don't know. That seems like something you would talk about with your dad or something. I don't know. Then let's play some music. Americana. Oh, we need to put lot traits on this lot, don't we? That means we need to get power stuff. Boo. Let's make this off the grid. Ooh, hear that? That's the ring. Let's do penny pixies. That'll be helpful. And then homie, right? That's where you can handiness gardening. Yeah, that should give us a good boost on our little flower arranging table, I think. There we go. Yeah, you can't listen to it without a power generator. Watermelons on the vine. Is it cheating if we use the trash chute that they have for Discovery University and put it on this building? I don't think it's cheating, because, like, it's in the game, and I'm not cheating for it, so it's not cheating. But if you guys don't want me to use the trash chute until we can afford the most amazing trash can in the entire universe, then this is, maybe it is too cheaty. I don't know. We don't really know how many to spare it, so who cares? Like, where's it supposed to go? Like, back inside our house? Oh my gosh, because we turned it on a while before putting on the off the grid, it still plays music. That's great. Let's go water our plants. I'm probably gonna, like, I don't know. I'm glad that she's getting, like, relationships now. How old is she? I need to keep track of how old she is, because, like, once she gets, like, a certain point, it gets really difficult. So we probably need to slowly start building her relationships and her family, so we can have Generation 2. And what are your suggestions for Generation 2? Like, how should we do that? How should it be, like, the firstborn or the lastborn? Because the firstborn's kind of gonna be old before we get done with using an at Pierce. So maybe, like, the lastborn, or, like, how should we do that? Maybe we should have you guys pick who you want to be the heir. If you guys put comments down. I know some of you will. Like, 2 of you usually do. JKJ. Oh yeah, and the shout outs for this week goes to Cameron. I don't remember your username, but I know you, so it goes out to Cameron and JKJ. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, and I hope you guys continue watching. Yeah, so that's been absolutely fantastic. You guys have been literally amazing. We're gonna finish this up, and then we're probably gonna end the video for today. You guys like me singing. I don't know why. Oh, how do you guys like the new intro? I know I asked you last time, but I didn't see y'all talk about the intro. I know I asked JKJ about it. She likes it, but I want to make sure you guys like it. So tell me what, like, if we should get more photos, and, like, add it as we go along. I thought that was a great idea. If we, like, took photos and then added them as the series progresses, like, that'd be awesome. We finished it, so I guess I should say goodbye, everyone. Thank you for watching, and I hope you tune in next week. Hopefully I can get a video out next week. I've been going on a roll, and I really do love uploading and this video making stuff. Oh yeah, and I didn't even mention that the cast and introduction reached 50 views. Like, oh my gosh, that's like half 100. And speaking of which, we're almost at, like, 50 subscribers. That's, like, literally insane. So thank you guys for all your love and support. And that is literally, like, terrifying. I am embarrassing myself in front of the internet. Yep. That's happening. So I guess with the Annette Pierce is done for today's video. So thank you guys for watching again. Love ya. Miss ya. Peace.